So we're going to find the volume of these prisms. Volume of a box, you can do exactly what you think it would be, which is just 3 times 19 times 5. And in fact, I'm going to write that out. 3 centimeters times 19 centimeters times 5 centimeters. And the 3 times 19 times 5 is 285. And the centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is centimeters cubed, and that's why we have it to the third power. And that'll be the only time where I write out the units as I multiply it out. The other way to kind of think about it is we're going to find the area of the base times the height. So the base would be 19 centimeters times 5 centimeters, and that would give us 95 centimeters squared. And then we would need to multiply that by the height. So keep that in mind as we get to some prisms that are not necessarily just rectangles. The next one, we have a cylinder, which is a prism, but they usually give you the formula pi r squared h. The pi r squared is the base. That's where we get the b from. And we're going to use 3.14. So we're just going to have 3.14 times the radius, which is halfway across the center of the circle, so that's 9 squared, times the height of the prism, which is 4. And I would recommend, especially if you're using a basic calculator, do the 9 squared first, which is 9 times 9, that's 81. And then we're going to have 3.14 times 81 times 4. And that's going to equal 1017.36 inches cubed. These two rectangles here, we can kind of tell, or two boxes, we have 2, and we're going to add them up. We're going to find them individually, and then we're going to add them up. Hopefully you can be able to visualize them. That the bottom box there in green has a height of 4 and by 13 by 10. And the other box that I'll kind of highlight here in red is 3 inches wide, has a height of 15, and then this number right here over here is 10. So this would be 3 times 15 times 10, which is 450 cubic centimeters. And when we add them together, the total volume then would be 970 cubic centimeters. The last one is the volume of this triangular prism. This dash right here and this dash mean they're both the same length. So this is also going to be 9 feet. So we need to find the area of the base, and in this case the area of the base is the shape of a triangle. So that's going to be 1/2 base times height. So this B, big B that I have in there is just for the triangle's area. And the B is going to be 9 and the height is 9. So 1/2 times 9 is 40.5. So that's the area of the base. More specifically, I should say feet squared if I want to be technical or correct. So the volume is the big B times the height of the prism. The height of the prism is 14. So this is going to be 40.5 times 14, which is 567 cubic feet. So if you have any kind of questions, please ask your math teacher.